How do weather conditions affect course difficulty ratings in golf? Have you ever wondered how the weather impacts the difficulty of a golf course? It's a fascinating topic that can change the way you think about your game. Weather conditions play a significant role in how a course is rated, affecting both the course rating and the slope rating. These ratings help determine how challenging a course is for highly skilled players and average players alike. Let's break down the key ways weather influences these ratings. First up is wind. When the wind is strong, it can really change how the ball flies. This makes shots less predictable and requires more skill to keep the ball on target. As a result, both the course rating and slope rating can increase because the course plays tougher. Next, we have rain and moisture. When the ground is wet, fairways and greens become softer. Softer fairways mean less roll, which can effectively lengthen the course. Meanwhile, soft greens slow down putting speeds and alter how the ball reacts on the surface. Heavy rain can even create puddles, making some areas unplayable and increasing the overall difficulty. Humidity and dew can also affect how fast the greens play, requiring players to adjust their putting strategies. Temperature is another factor. Cooler temperatures can make the golf ball harder to compress, which reduces distance. This can effectively lengthen the course and increase its difficulty. Additionally, different grass types react differently to cooler weather, which can change green speed and ball roll. Now let's talk about altitude and air density. At higher altitudes, the air is thinner, allowing the ball to travel farther. This can reduce the effective length of the course and make it easier. On the other hand, at lower altitudes, denser air can cause the ball to travel less, increasing the difficulty. Weather also affects course conditions like turf firmness, rough height, and bunker conditions. For example, dry and firm conditions can lead to faster fairways and greens, making it harder for less skilled players. This is reflected in higher slope ratings. Conversely, wet conditions can make recovery shots easier or harder, depending on the situation. From a golf statistics and analytics viewpoint, these weather-related changes can alter expected scoring patterns for different skill levels. Course raters take typical weather patterns into account when assigning ratings. However, unusual weather on a specific day can cause the actual difficulty to vary from the rating. For instance, a course rated under calm conditions might play much harder on a windy day, especially for average players who may struggle more with errant shots. Understanding how weather impacts course difficulty can help players and analysts adjust their expectations and strategies. It also shows why course and slope ratings are not fixed and why they consider typical weather conditions in their evaluations. This ensures that ratings reflected the usual playing challenge rather than extreme weather scenarios.